The internet wants me to be happy. And apparently, there's a plan. Like a super specific, step-by-step plan. Wake up at 5 a.m. Drink warm lemon water. Get 10 minutes of direct sunlight. Meditate. Journal about your gratitude. It feels less like friendly advice and more like a threat. So, I tried it. Honestly, I gave it a real shot. Day 1. The 5 a.m. alarm goes off. I hit the snooze button. I hit it 9 times. My actual alarm clock was that jolt of pure panic at 8:45 a.m. All right, tomorrow's the day. I actually woke up, stumbled to the kitchen, made my lemon water. It just tasted like water that was actively disappointed in me. I go to the window to get my sunlight. It's raining. Of course it is. Time to meditate. I have an app for that. Naturally, I have an app for everything. An app to track my sleep. An app to track my water. An app, and this is the best part, to remind me to relax. A stressful notification about relaxing. The irony is not lost on me. So I sit down. I put on the sound of gentle ocean waves. I try to clear my mind. And my brain decides this is the perfect time to host a film festival. The main feature, every single awkward thing I've ever done. Ever. Remember that thing you said in 2011? Yeah, my brain does. In glorious 4K high definition. Honestly, this whole self-care thing is starting to feel like a second job. One I'm also about to get fired from. And it all starts the night before. The quest for perfect sleep. I do all the things. No screens an hour before bed. I wear the blue light blocking glasses, which, by the way, make me look like a time-traveling bug. I drink the chamomile tea. I try the melatonin. I even tried counting sheep, But then I started getting anxious for the sheep. Like, are they okay? Is this a good job for them? Are they getting union wages? Next thing I know, I'm just lying there. It's 2 a.m. I'm not just awake, I am aggressively awake. I swear I can hear my own hair growing. And then I start stressing about not sleeping, which, as we all know, is the #1 guaranteed way to never, ever fall asleep. So naturally, I grab my phone to Google how to sleep. The first result is stop looking at your phone. Classic. I'm in a toxic relationship with wellness culture, and I think I need to break up with it. What if the goal isn't to be perfect? What if we stopped trying to fight the chaos and just made it dumber? What if we fought back by embracing our inner lazy goblin? Welcome to a new philosophy. It's called aggressive laziness. It's not about adding chores to your list. It's about aggressively deleting them. You're lying in bed at 3 a.m., wide awake. Perfect. You're not failing at sleep. You are succeeding at conscious horizontal relaxation. It's very advanced. Don't try to sleep. Just get comfortable. Your only job is to be a lump. And if your brain won't shut up, give it a stupid job. And I mean a really, really stupid job. Don't try to empty your mind. That's impossible. Instead, tell your brain to name every type of bread. White, wheat, sourdough, pumpernickel. Your brain gets so bored, it just quits. And that perfect morning routine, forget it. Your new morning routine is hitting the snooze button. That's not laziness, that's strategic procrastination. Drinking your coffee? That's your potion of questionable motivation. Successfully putting on pants. You've won the day. It doesn't matter if they're sweatpants. A win is a win. So stop trying to be a calm green juice drinking monk. Embrace the potato. So for real, forget the face masks for a second. What is your greatest act of aggressive laziness? And what's the dumbest thing your brain replays at 3 a.m.? Spill in the comments. I'm not just asking for content. No, seriously, I'm taking notes.